Welcome to PrepBites. Get ready to challenge your knowledge with our famous Indian personalities quiz. From freedom fighters to scientists, leaders to legends. Don't forget to comment your score below and subscribe for more amazing quizzes. Let's begin. Who was the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna posthumously? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. B. Sardar Patel. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Subhas Chandra Bose. Lal Bahadur Shastri was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1966 after his sudden death. Who is the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? A. Abhinav Bindra. B. Neeraj Chopra. C. Leander Paes. D. Rajavardhan Rathore. Abhinav Bindra won gold medal in shooting at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Kartiki Gunsalves. The Elephant Whisperers won Best Documentary Short at the Oscars 2023. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. B. Dadabhai Naoroji. C. C. Rajagopalachari. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Dadabhai Naoroji. He was a pioneer in Indian politics and the first Indian MP in British Parliament. Who founded the Arya Samaj? A. Dayananda Saraswati. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. C. Swami Vivekananda. D. B.R. Ambedkar. Dayananda Saraswati. Arya Samaj was founded in 1875 to reform Hinduism. Who is the first tribal woman president of India? A. Draupadi Murmu. B. Pratibha Patil. C. Mayawati. D. Meera Kumar. Draupadi Murmu assumed office in 2022. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Subramania Bharati. D. Satyajit Ray. Jana Gana Mana was composed by Tagore. Who was India's first Nobel laureate in economics? A. Raghuram Rajan. B. Manmohan Singh. C. Amartya Sen. D. Kaushik Basu. Amartya Sen. He won in 1998 for work on welfare economics. Who is known as the People's President of India? A. Pranab Mukherjee. B. Ram Nath Kovind. C. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. D. Shankar Dayal Sharma. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. His humble nature and connect with youth. Who is India's first Chief of Defence Staff, CDs? A. Bipin Rawat. B. R.K.S. Bhadauria. C. M.M. Naravane. D. Sunil Lamba. Bipin Rawat. General Bipin Rawat took charge in 2020. Who founded the Indian National Congress? A. Motilal Nehru. B. W. C. Banerjee. C. A. O. Hume. D. Dadabhai Naoroji. A. O. Hume, a British civil servant, founded it in 1885. Who was the first Indian woman in space? A. Sunita Williams. B. Kalpana Chawla. C. Tessie Thomas. D. Kiran Bedi. Kalpana Chawla flew on the Space Shuttle Columbia. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was instrumental in uniting India post-independence. Which Indian scientist discovered the Raman effect? A. C. V. Raman. B. Homi Bhabha. C. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. D. Satyendra Nath Bose. C. V. Raman. He received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Who was India's first woman IPS officer? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Kiran Bedi. C. Sushma Swaraj. D. Aruna Asaf Ali. Kiran Bedi joined the Indian Police Service in 1972. In which year did Narendra Modi first represent a constituency in the Lok Sabha? A. 2009. B. 2012. C. 2014. D. 2001. Narendra Modi contested and won his first Lok Sabha election in 2014 from Varanasi, marking his entry into the lower house of parliament. Who said, "Give me blood, and I shall give you freedom"? A. Bhagat Singh. B. Subhas Chandra Bose. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Subhas Chandra Bose. This was Bose's rallying cry to the Indian National Army. Who was the first Indian in space? A. Kalpana Chawla. B. Rakesh Sharma. C. Sunita Williams. D. Vikram Sarabhai. Rakesh Sharma flew aboard Soyuz T-11 in 1984. Who is India's first woman president? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Meira Kumar. C. Draupadi Murmu. D. Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil served from 2007 to 2012. Who was the architect of the Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Sardar Patel. D. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar chaired the drafting committee. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? A. Lata Mangeshkar. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Kalpana Chawla. Sarojini Naidu was a poet and freedom fighter. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. C.V. Raman. C. Amartya Sen. D. Mother Teresa. Tagore won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Dr. Homi Bhabha. B. Dr. C.V. Raman. C. Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. D. Vikram Sarabhai. Dr. Homi Bhabha. He led India's missile development and became president in 2002. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Pratibha Patil. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Sushma Swaraj. Thanks for watching this quiz. How many questions did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PrepBites for more engaging quizzes on Indian leaders, history, and current affairs. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next quiz.